trash bag up to Jam. Royal Windsor.
Royal City holding back, looking for that moment, tries to get through the Royal Windsor, seeing it, walk down that wall up on the front.
Dancing around, trying to get past that.
This is a very physical jam this in this time. Trash bag stepped into the jamming on us for Windsor, and she is pushing hard.
Well done, Rodney!
Rodney back in big, Pete's been thrown in the back. She's got 2 more to beat, but she's not giving up.
Go, Rodney!
It looks like a forearms or elbows major there, sent into the box. Power jam situation in favor of Windsor, but it won't last for long. As 86's jumper is released.
And Randy trying to just jump around that wall. Doesn't manage it. Takes a whip straight into Elfman. She gets round for 5 points. Yet to get through the back. Completely different styles from the jammers here. Randy largely dancing around the block. Trash bag is just pure strength.